Okay, hello again. Okay, now we're going to start by expanding some reasonably simple expressions. So once again, a reminder up here, 3 times 2y plus z plus 5, all in brackets, simplifies to, or expands to, I should say, 3 times 2y is 6y. 3 times z is 3z, and 3 times 5 gives us 15. So that's the expanded form on the right. So what I suggest you do when you first start expanding is make these little arcs for the time being. So you say 2 times 4y is 8y, copy the plus sign, and 2 times 5 is 10. And that's the expanded form of 2 outside of 4y plus 5. Okay, I suggest you pause the video now, try the next 3, and once you've finished, turn it back on and just check your answers. Okay, we're ready to do the second question. So once again, we write 3 times 4 is 12. Now I'm going to do something that might seem a bit funny here, but you'll see why I'm doing this. I'm going to change that subtraction to add and change the sign of the z to a negative z. And then I'm going to multiply 3 times negative z, so that gives me plus, and that's just going to be negative 3z. And then if I want to, I can write that back as a subtraction. Adding negative 3z is the same as subtracting 3z. Now the reason I did that, you'll see shortly. Okay, on to the next expansion. This time we have 3 terms, but it's no more difficult. 6 times 2h is 12h, plus 6 times 2j is 12j, plus 6 times 4 is 24. And that's the expanded form for that expression. Okay, the last one has a negative number on the outside, but the process is exactly the same. Negative 2 times 2p, well, a negative times a positive gives a negative, plus negative 2 times 2q is negative 4q, plus negative 2 times 3 is 6. And there we have it. There's those 4 terms all expanded, 4 expressions all expanded.